Welcome back, viewers. I'm gonna eat supper. Onyani harueta hedoriro.
Blow it, huh?
Okay. We're still in a tree house. I'm so hungry and I ate my dinner first. So hot. Kuya, careful ka, okay? Kuya, careful ka, okay? So good. Mommy, can you cut it? We got a fork. I had so much fun at the river. You can throw rocks, you pretend the leaves are a boat, and you can even pretend you're skating hoverboard. So good, guys. Comment down below what's your dinner. Hey guys, this mac and cheese is so yummy. Ask your dad to make this. Nice. Okay, let's focus. The window's hit. Look, the hot dog is gone. I'm showing nothing. Ayan harueta. Nadulas na yung palaka. Ang yummy ng mac and cheese mo, Daddy.